I'm Henry Sudiantoro. I'm 35 years old. I work at PT IGG, Glenmore Sugar Industry. It has been engaged in sugar production since 2016. I'm grateful because as a local human resource, I can participate in economic development in my area. I took IGG employee recruitment test when I was 30 years old. How lucky I am. At the moment, 30 is the maximum age that is allowed to follow the employee test of IGG. Family is one of the motivation for my life to continue, to strive, and to provide a better life. I have a motto: life is a process. Life is learning without its boundaries, falling back on his feet. Fall down, try again. Fall down and get up again. Before joining IGG, I was being an electrician. At one time when I got information about job vacancy at IGG. In short, I was interested to register it. And I followed several selection process, starting from written test, interview, medical test, and finally I was accepted as one of IGG employee. PT IGG located at GLS Kilometer 4, Karangharjo, Glenmore, Banyuwangi. It is a subsidiary and it is owned by PT Perkebunan Nusantara 12, 99.5%, and PT Perkebunan Nusantara 11, 0.5%. The main task of PT IGG is to carry out the construction and management of the Glenmore Integrated Sugar Factory with a capacity of 6,000 TCD. Expandable X1000 TCD on a 102.4 hectare part of PT Perkebunan Nusantara 12 Perseus land, which was inbred to PT IGG. Sugarcane raw material will be fully supplied by the sugarcane plantation of PT Perkebunan Nusantara 12 in the Banyuwangi Regency area. From this integrated sugar factory, premium white sugar, electricity, bioethanol, organic fertilizer, and animal feed will be produced. In the sugar industry, it is divided into several departments, and I take a part on the process department, whose function is processing raw material into sugar product. In sugar processing itself is divided into 3 stages, namely refining process, crystallization, wrong until the last step, it is the packaging process. The purification process is a process which is in distillation must obtain clear shape. By removing impurities with a sedimentation method and additional auxiliary material, such as flocculant, lime to maintain pH in standard condition, then it must be distributed into crystallization station. The crystallization process is the process of crystallizing sugar, which is previously in the form of a thick liquid, cooked until crystal appear with the appropriate size standard, then distributed to the rotation station. The rotation station itself functions to separate sugar crystal from the molasses using a centrifugal device. My job is focused and escorting and in charge a purification process with many parameters that we have to keep safety. The temperature, timing, and pH are the important thing to produce a good quality of product. Checking availability of supporting supplies, equipment, and manpower are become my routine to minimize the problem while on process. There are some obstacles that happens while on the grilling process, such as a trouble in the other department will profoundly affect the purification station, an entire process section in the general. Another obstacle that we can handle, however, it is being hardly. When the standard value of raw material, especially in deposition process, is insufficient. Beside of this obstacle, there is something that becomes my interest in doing my job. I am challenging to participate in the national sugar self-sufficiency. Hopefully, the standard raw material must be achieved because good quality and quantity of production start with raw material itself. As time goes by, I get a scholarship to take a Day 3 education program majoring in chemical engineering at LPP Polytechnic of Yogyakarta. That is education institution which have produced many reliable professional workers in the plantation sector. I am one of the lucky employees to get this opportunity. Hopefully, I can be better qualified human resource and can practice the knowledge that I have gained for the progress of the company. What I want to say to LPP Polytechnic of Yogyakarta student who wants to be involved in the industrial or plantation sector, please prepare yourself from an early age by adding insight from various available sources, from social media or sharing with experienced people. Hopefully, what I convey and I do in this matter can provide motivation for the progress of the sugar industry in Indonesia.